Last week, the stock markets rose across the globe. We've seen Asian markets soar, with Japanese and Chinese stocks going on a 5-day winning streak. In the US, both the S&P and the Dow reached fresh highs, with the S&P above 2160 and the Dow above the 18,500 mark. In Europe, the DAX also moved above 10,000 points. One of the main events in focus last week was the much anticipated Bank of England monetary policy decision. An interest rate cut was widely expected. However, the BOE left rates on hold and hinted at a potential cut at next month's meeting. This pushed the FTSE to the 67.42 high before somewhat retracing. In the week ahead, starting 18th of July, Monday is set to be a very light day with the focus late at night on the RBA, who will release its monetary policy meeting minutes. Since their last meeting, when the central bank left interest rates unchanged at 1.75%, the Aussie dollar has soared once again above the 0.76 mark and is heading towards the 0.7834 level, last reached in April. A stronger Australian dollar could be detrimental for the Aussie economy, however, and the policy minutes could then signal the chance of an interest rate cut in August. On Tuesday the 19th, all eyes will be on British inflationary data, with the release of June CPI figures in the morning. The BOE has already indicated the need for fresh information to work out the situation of the country following the Brexit referendum decision. On the same day, we have the release of the German ZU economic sentiment, and in the afternoon there will be important data from the US, with both building permits and housing starts data for June. On the back of Tuesday's data releases, cable will likely be under pressure. After the significant fall in Brexit week, the pound has found some strength and started to recoup some of the losses. Last week, GBP against the USD reached the 1.34 mark, and we see the nearest resistance now at 1.35. And if surpassed, we could see an extension to 1.3765 and 1.38 the figure. On Wednesday, again we'll see more important data from the UK, with the unemployment change and the average earnings index. Meanwhile, we will also receive some inflationary data from Germany and the Eurozone consumer confidence data. On Thursday, UK retail sales will kickstart the trading day, but the main focus is on the ECB monetary policy decision and comments made by ECB President Mario Draghi in the press conference which will follow. The euro-dollar moved above the 1.11 mark in the week just past, so the next resistance is seen at 1.12 the figure, and then 1.1360, which is a Fibonacci retracement. The main support is seen at 1.11, which is the 200-day moving average, but if broken, the pair could move deeper to the downside towards 1.1002. Finally, the week closes with manufacturing and services PMI data from Germany, France and the Eurozone. That's all for the week ahead. Tune in next week. Thanks. Goodbye.